Hey folks, welcome back to another episode today. I got me another Oculus Quest 2 head strap. This one's a little bit more special. It's actually a head strap and a battery pack on one. I've done some small batteries, big batteries, and all that good stuff for the Quest 2, but never has it been like together like this one right here. So yeah, so today we're gonna unbox this. Let's test it out on my Oculus Quest 2. I do have a head strap on there already, so I'm going to remove that, show you guys how to do that if you don't know how to do it, and then we're going to install this thing right here. This one right here was actually sent to me by this company. They saw that I did a bunch of different head straps and stuff like that, so asked me if I wanted to give it a try. So, just an FYI, did not pay for this with my own money. Okay, so what we got in here is literally the entire head strap with a battery. So this one right here feels like any other battery pack that I would have, except now it's kind of attached to the back right here. I can't even tell that it's a battery back here. I mean, it looks like just an Elite head strap. See that? Yeah, so let's go ahead and take this off. There's some nice protection right there for, I guess, the shiny part of the head strap. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys see that or not, but very shiny. Got some nice little style to it. Oh. Okay. Okay, so this right here, look at this piece, okay? I'm going to spin it. See that? It actually is coming out. This might look better with this cord right here. So you see this? Yeah, it's going in and out. That's how you're gonna tighten it up. It's this little thing back here. Very integrated in there. It's beautiful. Let's see if there's any battery left in here. Yeah, there's some batteries in there. You see there's 3 bars right there. It's lit up. USB-C? Yeah, USB-C to charge. Cool. Alright, so I believe this goes on the top of the head, so I'm going to go ahead and install that. And then also, this right here is probably to make it super comfortable. Oh, there we go. There's that snap. There's that snap. Not sure why it wasn't installed in the first place, but I guess it's made so that it's flat, you know, for flat shipping. But that's nice. This thing feels good, by the way. It's rubber, but it's not like, it's not super bendy, so it's gonna stay that shape of your head. So that's cool right there. And then this right here goes on top. So I'm assuming that this is the top right here. The reason why I picked this down here, well, 1, per the instruction, and 2, it's very cushiony right here. See, this is like a pillow right here. So I believe that's gonna be the part that's gonna be attached to your head versus right here. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take this piece off. By the way, if you don't know how to remove your head strap, if you still have the original piece, all you do is you pull this thing out right here, guys. That's it, yeah. The original strap, you actually just pop. There's a piece on top of this, you just pop it out. Kind of like this right here, the original head strap. It's like this, and pretty much this is the way you install this. Is just like the original head strap, because you see how it pops right into here. Yeah, that's it. You just pop it in. Don't be afraid to you know, to give it a little force. But yeah, pretty much right here, it just kind of pops into it like that. Okay. Okay, so I have this little cord right here that goes, plug into USB-C right there. Okay. And then right now, I believe this is pretty small right here, so I can adjust it to where it makes it bigger. There we go. Oh, that's pretty big. Goes from that size to... I have a big head, so I'm gonna leave it really big. Okay, so anyway, this part right here, and this is the last piece right here. This is your face mask. You literally just remove the face mask, and then you have access to this little thing right here. It's just like on the original head strap. There are some points in the part of the mask where you just snap that thing in. Just make sure that all the points are snapped in. All right, so let's see. Oh, I'm probably not wearing a hat. Wearing a hat is probably not a good idea for this one. But let me make it really big because I need it big. Oh, you know what? It'll fit me with a hat. There we go. That's nice. Yeah, there we go. Oh wow, okay, so now let's go ahead and tighten that. Oh, nice. I love the way this thing handles here. Very nice. I love the way it tightened it for me like that. That's really nice. And so you just kind of adjust this part right here, guys, up and down. There you have it. I feel like this is the best fitting head strap that I've ever owned. I mean, even this one right here is a bit kind of wonky because I have to do some adjustment here in that. I mean, it does have the little tightening here, but this right here is possibly, maybe it's my hat, I don't know. It's the most comfortable and it's the easiest that I've ever put it on. And maybe it's because it's also this little black piece that's kind of holding everything together right here. I really like it. Really nice, very comfortable. So this right here is where is the tightest, I think, that I can get it. So I think you can really move it around. Ow, ooh, my head hurts now. I'm getting a headache from that. But yeah, as you can see, I'm wearing a hat. My head is actually extra big for a lot of my hats and stuff like that. So this thing right here will fit just fine. Very comfortable, this little area right here. And I feel like I'm not even touching the battery at all because this thing right here is protecting it so much. It is very, very comfortable, I have to say. And then at the same time, inside the headset, it's telling me that the battery is charging. And so, yeah, I think it's doing its job. Well, guys, that's it for me. That's the head strap with the battery. It's my first. Looks pretty good.